high in the air into right field, and LaFred calls everyone off and delivers the 1-2. Swung on, ground ball, third base, picked up by Yasel Pino, and 3-1 pitch. There's a ground ball, deep third. Pino fields and fires to first. 2-2, swung on, lifted out to center field. Skinner coming in, and he will stop and make the catch. DeTomaso swings a soft chopper back to Holt at short, throws to first, and in time in the Oakland organization. First pitch, swung on, hard hit out to right field by Karel Paz, and it's LaFred who makes the play in right. He had a hit in the fifth. 1-0 pitch, swung on a line, and Trey Law makes